Is Disk Drill the best recovery software? Losing important files is one of those heart-stopping moments that everyone experiences at some point. Maybe you accidentally deleted family photos, a project for work, or an entire drive got corrupted. That's when recovery tools come into play. And one of the most talked about names in this space is Disk Drill, but in 2026, with so many recovery options available, is Disk Drill still the best choice? Let's find out. Disk Drill has been around for years and is developed by Clever Files, a company based in the United States. It's built to recover deleted, formatted, or lost files from virtually any device. Computers, external drives, SD cards, and even smartphones. The question is, how well does it actually perform today? The installation process is straightforward. Once opened, the software instantly detects all connected drives. You simply select the location you want to scan and click Search for lost data. The interface is clean and modern, and that makes it very beginner-friendly. Disk Drill uses powerful algorithms to perform both quick and deep scans. The quick scan is great for recently deleted files, while the deep scan digs through damaged or formatted drives. During testing, a deep scan on a 500 GB SSD took about 12 minutes, slightly slower than EasyOS, but it found a wider variety of recoverable files, including system fragments and old partitions that had been erased months ago. One of Disk Drill's strongest features is its preview system. You can view photos, videos, documents, and even small fragments before restoring them, ensuring you recover only what you need. It supports over 400 file formats, from images and videos to archives and app data. The success rate is impressive. In multiple tests, Disk Drill successfully recovered more than 90% of recently deleted files and about 80% of formatted drive data. It even retrieved some files from drives that other recovery programs had marked as unrecoverable. Another major plus is the extra tools it includes. Unlike many competitors, Disk Drill goes beyond just recovery. It offers data protection, drive backup creation, and even a feature to find duplicate files. That makes it more of a complete data management suite than just a recovery tool. Now let's talk about the free version. Disk Drill offers up to 500 megabytes of free recovery, which is decent for small jobs, like recovering a few photos or documents. But if you need to restore larger drives or video files, you'll have to upgrade to the Pro version. The Pro plan costs around $89 for a lifetime license, meaning you pay once and use it forever. No annual subscription needed, which is a big advantage compared to other recovery tools that charge every year. In terms of security, Disk Drill is completely safe to use. It works in read-only mode, meaning it never writes new data onto the drive you're recovering from. This minimizes the risk of overwriting files and ensures that your recovery process is as safe as possible. The software is compatible with both Windows and macOS, and the 2026 update brought better performance for a PFS, EXFAT, and NTFS file systems. The Mac version even supports iOS device recovery, which is perfect if you need to restore deleted photos or messages from your iPhone. Now, let's talk about the downsides. While Disk Drill is easy to use, its deep scans can be slower on very large drives. The preview thumbnails also take a while to load when thousands of files are found. And as with most recovery tools, the success rate drops significantly if the data has already been overwritten. So what's the final verdict? Disk Drill remains one of the most reliable and powerful recovery tools in 2026. It's fast, feature-rich, and extremely user-friendly. The inclusion of extra tools like data protection and backup creation adds real value. And its lifetime license makes it a long-term investment worth considering. If you often handle sensitive data, work with external drives, or just want peace of mind knowing your files can be recovered, Disk Drill is definitely worth it. It's not perfect, no recovery tool is, but when it comes to balancing ease of use, recovery depth, and price, it's one of the best in the game. If this review helped you decide, leave a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns. Back up your data and stay safe out there.